Hello dear students, this message is for those students who are going to write this NEET PG exam because we are having only 6 days in our hand, and at this moment what are the three important things you must remember. Number 1, you should stay strong. Number 2, you keep on revising whatever you are revising. Stick to your notes, stick to 5 years PYQ of the NEET PG, 3 years PYQ of the NESET exam, and keep revising your notes selectively for high yielding topics which has been asked in last 5 years. And third important thing is you have to take care of your health, mental health, physical health and social health, all things. So why I am saying third important point, because you have to start sleeping by right time, and right time will be up to 11 or 11:30. Have a good 6 to 7 hours of the night sleep, and then you wake up early in the morning by 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, and then you start your studies. So 6 to 7 hours of the sleep will be adequate for the this period of the time. So normalize your sleep today onwards. This is not going to normalize on the last day because of the severe stress. So you have to adjust from here onwards. So this is very important. Social health, why I'm saying, because you have to avoid unnecessary social media interaction, because many unnecessary gossips and things are going on which will distract your mind at this last hour of the preparation, right? Mental health, why I said, because you should be mentally strong, because already you have done a lot of hard work, and your hard work is going to give you a very good result if you stay strong by your mind in this last 7 days. Don't give up at any moment. Don't try to recall anything. Keep going on. Keep your momentum up. Don't bring it to down by trying to recall anything and trying to judge yourself by recalling some of the events or some of the notes in your preparation phase, right? So this is very very important, because last 7 days you will start thinking that 19 subjects are there, I'm not able to recall, what will happen to me in exam. So this is because of stress, and you don't try to recall them now, because if you start recalling now, what will happen, this will put you under depression, and that will definitely that will definitely harm you in your exam. So this is what my advice is: to make your momentum up, you have to keep going on. Do revision, see the MCQs, solve the PYQs, revise your notes, selectively revise your notes, and don't pay attention that you are going to recall what or what not. You are going to recall each and every point in your exam, trust me, and it is going to happen with you. So unnecessary stress, unnecessary experimentation should be avoided at this last hour, right? And again I will say that it is, I am saying according to my view, which I have seen from last 15 to 20 years, right? But it is up to you that how you want to revise things, right? You can revise 5 years of the NEET PG and 5 years NESET exam paper also, if you are good and you have revised it already. But suppose you have not done it earlier, so I will say that revise 5 years of the NEET PG questions and NESET exam question paper 3 years. That will be adequate for you at this moment. And when you are going through the PYQs, you need not to read each and every option and each and every question's detail, or explanation of each and every question where you are going through. You have to see those explanation where you are committing mistakes or you are having confusion. In those explanation also, you have to focus on those area where you have committed mistake in that particular question. So this is the way you have to revise smartly and fastly in your last moment of the preparation. And whenever you are feeling bored, keep going through the images, keep going through the flowcharts and tables of the Harrison and the Robbins. They are very important, and you will get many questions from there in your NEET PG exam. And I'm telling you, your question paper is going to be a very moderate, balanced kind of question paper. This is my gut feeling says. So that is what I'm saying. Stick to your notes, stick to your high yielding points based on the 5 years of the PYQ. And the very very important thing, maintain your sleep cycle and stay strong in this last moment. It is mindset which is going to decide your good rank from now onwards. So stay positive and keep saying positive things. When you are going to sleep, you keep saying this thing that I am going to succeed in this exam 10 times minimum. And whenever you are having any problem, have a deep breathing, compose yourself, pat yourself and tell yourself that you are good and you are going to perform very good in this exam. That is what I'm expecting you all are going to do in your exam. My best wishes to all of you.